Let's just get started. We are going to begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go through a simple guided meditation. Should our attention drift during the quiet period, we're just going to bring our attention back to the feeling of letting go, releasing. Once the silent period is over, you'll hear the chimes, and we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. So since I have a 5-minute late start, we obviously will be going 5 minutes past the normal time. Let's close our eyes and take a deep breath and invite ourselves to relax and let go. Take another deep breath. And let's begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. So let's just take a moment and feel the energy within us. Notice that stream of energy that flows through us from the divine, always nourishing us, supplying us all our needs. Now just kind of look behind you and notice there are strings, ropes, even in some cases chains, that sort of slow you down, kind of hold you back from fully being all that you're capable of being, hold you back from all the joy you're capable of holding and experiencing. So we're not making any of these ropes or chains or strings wrong. They were just put there for whatever purpose when we needed them. We're just going to now gently bring our attention to that powerful energy moving through us. We're going to expand it. Just that big beam that's running through the center of us, spread it out. And as it moves into your whole body and starts to move out of your body, like literally seeping out of your pores, feel those bonds dissolving. Feel how you are almost floating as they release. How you have this energy to just dash forward. Keep that high energy inside of you, that divine energy expanding and dissolving those bonds as we sit silently, allowing the love of the divine, the love of God, to handle this for us. And as we pull ourselves back in, grabbing all that beautiful energy that was moving through us, we send up a quick thank you to the divine. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, and my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Okay, guys, quick favor. Please say a couple prayers.